$403 billion, the biggest quarter the chip industry has ever had. The factories that make them did not get any bigger.
Here is what nobody said next. The world's factories did not get 35% bigger. Capacity grows about 6 or 7% in a year, and a new fab takes roughly 3 years to build before it ships anything. So picture a restaurant that suddenly takes 35% more bookings. Same kitchen, and a new one takes 3 years. So they raise prices, push the expensive dishes, and empty the store cupboard. That is roughly what happened here. Price, mix, and inventory, not more silicon. And if you have worked in a fab, you already know the uncomfortable part. The quarter you are shipping now was decided 2 or 3 years ago when somebody signed for a building. The association expects this year to clear $1.5 trillion. That number is real. It just isn't a number about factories. Now, your Fabspeak tip of the week. Microsoft has just previewed something in Copilot Studio that the factory floor solved decades ago. You can now share an agent run only. Your colleagues can run it, but they cannot change it. That is recipe management, a core principle in fab control. On the floor, the process engineer owns the recipe and the operator runs it, and nobody rewrites it at 3 in the morning. So build the boring one first. The end of shift summary, the excursion write-up, the thing you retype every week. Build it once, share it run only, and your whole team inherits your version. One person's good habit quietly becomes everybody's default. That's Fabspeak. Same time next week.